In this video, I'm going to be removing part of an image using the Content Aware Fill tool. So I'm going to remove this guy out of the image but make it look like he was never there, sort of thing. So in the tools on the left hand side, the third one down there is the polygonal lasso tool. So I'm going to click on that and draw around this guy. And I'm going to finish it off on the point to start it off with. Then I'm going to right click on that, click fill, make sure this is on Content Aware, it's the fourth one down, normal and 100%, click OK, and there you can see that is the image has taken him out and automatically filled in the background to match the rest of the background. So one thing that can be annoying here as well, see these dotted lines, the moving dotted line called the marching ants. To get rid of them, just click Control H, that's probably Command H if you're on a Mac. And that is how you get rid of part of an image using the Content Aware Fill tool. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.